Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of REDnote. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above here, you will search about REDnote and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.